Hey Glam fam, what's poppin'? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So before we start, let me just tell you this look was all over the place, okay? I didn't know what I was doing when I did this look. I kind of was just throwing colors together and it kind of worked. I think it came out really cute. Like I said, this is an experiment. We have some greens, turquoise, an orange, a purple, a shimmer dandelion. We just all over the place, but it came out good. So what y'all think about it, right? Okay, my makeup game is coming along. You know, I'm still trying to work on my cut crease. This one didn't really work, but you can't tell because I went over it with some glitter tips. But yes, if you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. And if you haven't already, make sure you support the channel by subscribing and liking this video, alright? Let's go ahead and get started. Alright fam, we're gonna go ahead and get started with our first palette. This is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and we're starting out with our go-to purple. Now, I am going to start blocking out basically the space where I want my purple cut crease to go. Make sure I get it heavily saturated, and then I'm gonna blend upwards. So now we're starting with our second color. This is that bright orange from the same palette. And this time we're putting this on top of where we had that purple previously. Now, it's important to blend out the orange and the purple because they're really different colors. Like they're not next to each other on the color wheel at all. So it takes a lot of work to blend those two colors together. So I'm spending a lot of time on my blending for this look. For the next color that we're going to be using in our eyeshadow look, it starts with the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette, and this is the Mermaids Forever palette. And we're going for that nice bright blue turquoise. It's kind of like a sky blue with a little bit of green. And we're going to add this to like the inner corners of our eye. And I thought that was really nice. Like it's a cute color, but it wasn't super pigmented. So I ended up having to switch back to the Zulu palette and go for that turquoise, the matte, and the shimmer mix. That way I can get a stronger turquoise out of that. So now we're going to go ahead and start cutting our crease. Again, this is by Revolution. This is their Refine and Define Concealer in shade C1. And I really like this concealer because it's really thick and it's really easy to apply. So when I apply this, I'm really focusing on getting that line super sharp. So for the next palette that we're using, it is the Festivals palette by Juvia's Place again. And this time we're going for that nice peach. And this is basically going to act as our base for that cut crease color. And here I'm just using a very small detailed brush to really get that peach color butted up against that purple. Okay, using that same palette, we're gonna switch colors and we're gonna go for that nice dandelion color. It's a little bit more yellow, and this is gonna act as our inner tear duct color. And we're using this color as a base, and we're gonna blend it into that peach as well. Now, we're switching to that nice, it's like a shimmer champagne color. And this is gonna go over where we just put that previous dandelion color because we want it to be like a very, very shiny ombre. So that's why we added the dandelion first. That way it can be highly saturated and we don't have to use that much product. So you wanna blend between that shimmer champagne to the dandelion to the peach. I honestly didn't think that champagne shimmer was enough, so I went ahead and went with that white shimmer color, and I just put this on top of the champagne as well, just to make it a little bit more brighter and it can pop a little bit more. You guys before, I had no idea what I was going for when I did this look. So as you can see, it's kind of all over the place, like it's very, very strong. So I decided to go ahead with some gold glitter. This is the Atlas glitter liquid liner, and it's like a very, very strong yellow gold. And I basically just put this on top of where the cut crease is because I just felt like it was missing something. So far, I'm pretty satisfied with how this is looking. I think it was a nice save adding that glitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, add my lashes and everything, and I'll be back. All right. Now this look is coming together. I really like it. I went ahead and added some glow. I added a little bit of glitter to my like my highlight cheekbones area. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add a white eyeliner to my waterline, and this is kind of like, it's really to make my my eyeballs like bigger and brighter. So yeah, it works. I took a little bit of the leftover purple that I had on my brush and I basically added that underneath my waterline. And then I just went ahead and prepped my bottom lashes just to make them pop a little bit more. So now I'm going to go ahead and start prepping for my lips. I'm going in with a lip liner, a brown lip liner. This is the Cocoa Liner by Nabi. And this is just to make my lips look a little bit fuller before I go in with my Shimmer liquid gloss. This is from the Deck of Scarlet palette number 4. And I just went ahead and applied it. Now it's a little bit too shiny, so I went in with the NYX Liquid Lingerie lipstick, and I added this just to, like, I guess tone it down just a little bit, but I think it works. This is the finished look. I absolutely love it. It was a really nice save. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Tell them to join the glam fam. I hope you guys really like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh,